You've probably heard of video streaming services such as Netflix, Hulu, Disney Plus, HBO Max. Well, I found out the absolute most expensive video streaming service going on right now. It's called College. I went to the gym for the first time last week. It went really well. I did 20 minutes of cardio, 10 minutes on the defibrillator, and 3 days in the hospital. Welcome to the Dad Bod. This is our fourth watch video for March. The first one was the Clockwork Club UK, and the second one was Watch of the Month Club. The third one was the new one that I signed up for called the Watch King. And just a reminder, the monthly watch club screwed things up so there won't be a watch this month. This video is for Watch Gang's March Watch. The only one that I'm still waiting on right now is Wrist Mafia, who has such a bad business model that they pushed their shipping dates back a month because they can't keep up. So now the February watch arrives in March watch arrives in April, and so on. So instead of getting the watch at the beginning of the month, now you get it the following month. So I'll tell you about it on the Wrist Mafia unboxing video later on this month, as well as the watch subscription box roundup video, which I'll do after I get the final watch for March. Make sure you subscribe so you don't miss out on those videos and more. Each month I do the unboxing and review videos for the different watch subscriptions individually, and then after I finish all of them, I'll do a video with all of the watches side by side. I show you the watches that I received from each subscription company, the cost of each watch, because some of them are in the $30 to $40 range with shipping, and then some of them, like Watch Gang, are almost $65 per month with shipping. I explain any issues that I faced with the company itself, and then because at that point I've had some time to wear the watch, I'm then able to talk about, how it feels. That's not something you can really do on an unboxing video because you've only seen the watch for a few minutes. So today is Watch Gang. I'm on their original plan, which is $50 a month, and then it's another $14 a month for shipping. That brings it up to $63.99 per month. All right, let's open it up and see what's inside. Voyage. V-O-I-A-G-E. So I'm pretty sure Voyage is spelled with a Y. That's weird. Some sort of a bag. So I'm not really familiar with this brand. I'm hoping it's a watch. Yep, it's a watch. So yeah, I'm not really familiar with this brand, but let's take a look. So, yeah, it came in this little bag here. All right, it says that it's Voyage, water resistant, 50 meters. All right, I'll be back in just a minute. I'm going to try to see what I can find about this watch. Okay, it looks like the model of the watch is Montagne, M-O-N-T-A-G-N-E. I think that's how you pronounce it. I'm going to put a close-up right over here so that way you can see the watch better. So it has a Japanese quartz movement. It's got 3 hands, the hour, the minute, and the second hand. And the hands have a little strip on it that illuminates so that way you can see the time in the dark. The case is 43 millimeters and it's made of stainless steel. It has a sapphire mineral crystal lens on the top. All right, let's move the close-up to show the watch strap. The watch strap is a canvas strap. It's gray and it says genuine leather on it. It's got the Voyage logo symbol thing on it as well. And it's a canvas fabric. Since the information for this watch is readily available online, there's really no need for me to open it up to see what's inside. I mostly only do that for the unknown watch brands and models. So this looks like a nice watch. I know there's a big split on many of these watch subscription companies as far as expectations. Some people love the watches, some people hate the watches. I'm not going to say who's right and who's wrong because they're personal opinions and expectations. I'm not here to tell you what you should or shouldn't buy. I'm just showing you what to expect. That way if you feel it's something that you want to get, then, go ahead and get it. And after watching the video, if you feel like it's something that you don't really want, then, you saved yourself some money. So for me personally, I take the price and what I get into consideration. I know many of you have told me that the watches aren't, worth the retail price that's listed. I'm well aware of that, but by all means, keep telling me your thoughts. I love hearing from you all, but I am aware. For me personally, I just want a nice watch. Some of these boxes are like $40 a month. It would be difficult to get a really high-end watch for that, when you account for the shipping cost, the tax cost, and everything else. But also, I expect not to get a cheap, $3 or $4 watch pawned off in a $40 box. So in this instance, I can see me wearing this watch. It's got a nice movement piece, quality material for the dial. For me, I'm happy with it, as long as it keeps time properly, which, I'll let you all know on the roundup video. Well, that's all for today's video. Thank you all for watching, and I'll see you next time.